Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Cyndi Edwards. It is that time of year, time to go into the garage and pull out a bunch of tangled Christmas lights. We know this can be a frustrating job, and unfortunately, hanging lights can be a dangerous job as well. Putting them up and then taking them down is a major pain. Well, now there's an alternative that changes everything. EverLights are lights that go up once and stay up. But don't worry, your neighbors won't even notice when they're not turned on. The best part of all, you can program the lights to change colors. You can celebrate different holidays or your favorite sports team all year round. Joining us now is Ross Harke, co-founder of EverLights, to tell us more. Hi, Ross.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, and I'm so excited to talk to you about this. Tell us about how EverLights came to be.
Yeah, it's the same pain point that you just talked about. Just on the tail end of it, right? Putting them up, you can be excited and ready to have some fun. But my business partner and I were just friends at the time, and neither one of us had taken our lights down into March. And so we thought that there had to be a better solution, especially with the way LED technology was progressing, home automation, everything going to an app. So we just started putting things together and we came up with EverLights.
Brilliant. So, what do customers like most about EverLights?
I think that they start reaching out to us because they think about, oh man, I don't want to have to do this again. Um, and that's what it gets them, searching for a permanent Christmas light. And then when they have it, it's being able to use it for all the different holidays, sports events, kids' birthday parties, Halloween, 4th of July, being able to set things and forget it, and having that decorating just taken care of for them. I think that's a huge fun factor that people get to the benefit of throughout the year.
Well, what would you say to people who are looking into permanent lights and people who are sitting on the fence? Because you can't be the only game in town.
Right. I would say reach out to us, talk to one of our representatives, get a free design consultation. We have options for handy DIY customers as well as professional install services in a lot of major US cities. And so, it doesn't hurt to have a 5-minute phone call to discuss, what options are and, how you could get this chore taken off of your list forever.
And how quickly can people get their hands on EverLights?
Yeah, DIY sales, they'll get those in 5 business days. Just the postman is going to be what takes the most time there. And then professional install, most places we're booked out about 2 weeks at this point. But those spots go fast this time of year, and so I encourage people to reach out as fast as possible. To try and book a spot on our calendars.
And I have a personal question. Are these made to last? Because I've gone through the frustration every year up until
Yes.
now.
Yes, they are made to last. They're LEDs, so they're rated for 50,000 hours, which is going to give you, 7 years of nonstop usage. So, really, we're talking 15 years of, pretty substantial usage of these LEDs before you'll start to see them go out.
All right. This is exciting stuff. Ross Harke, thank you very much for joining us today. And I think you've saved a lot of marriages.
I hope so. Thank you.
You can go to myeverlights.com to request a quote for your home. Thanks so much for joining us today. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Cyndi.